Welcome to Japan Digital Asset Weekly. I'm Keisuke Seo of Wakyodo and venture partner at Nomura Capital, a blockchain-focused VC fund backed by Credit Season. If you've been following this program, you'll notice a small but important change. Starting this week, we are rebranding from Japan Wealthy Weekly to Japan Digital Asset Weekly. Why? Because Japan's market is evolving beyond the buzzword Web3. It's now about real-world digital asset infrastructure, from tokenized securities and stablecoins to institutional trading and blockchain-based settlement. And there's no better company to illustrate that shift than Nomura Holdings, Japan's largest investment bank. Our featured story this week. Nomura has been a pillar of traditional finance in Japan for decades, but few realize it has also been one of the country's earliest and most consistent blockchain pioneers. Back in 2015, Nomura and Nomura Research Institute ran Japan's first joint experiments using distributed ledger technology to manage securities information. By 2019, they co-founded BOOSTRY, a blockchain infrastructure venture designed to enable tokenized securities and real-world asset exchange. Those early years built the foundation for what would become Japan's security token and digital bond market. Through 2020, Nomura led multi-stakeholder research on blockchain adoption in capital markets and helped define the framework for security token offerings, a regulated model for digital fundraising in Japan. Then, from 2022 onwards, firm moved from research to implementation. Nomura issued several of the country's largest digital bond and tokenized security offerings and expanded overseas with its Swiss subsidiary Laser Digital, a hub for digital asset investment, trading, and DeFi strategy. Laser Digital has since invested in projects like Orderly Network on Year, secured a license in Dubai for crypto derivatives trading, and established operations across Europe and the Middle East. In 2024, Nomura entered a strategic partnership with GMO Internet Group and Laser Digital to explore yen and dollar-denominated stablecoins for cross-border settlement. And in 2025, Nomura pushed even further, launching online education programs to cultivate blockchain and AI talent, while successfully completing Japan's first proof of concept for digital currency-based securities settlement using DVP. Now in October 2025, Nomura's Laser Digital is applying for a crypto exchange license and the Japan's Financial Services Agency, aiming to offer regulated digital asset trading for institutional clients. If approved, it will make Nomura the first Japanese investment bank to operate a licensed crypto exchange, a milestone that cements blockchain finance as part of Japan's mainstream financial system. For Nomura, this isn't a new experiment. It's the culmination of a 10-year strategy to merge traditional finance with blockchain infrastructure. It shows how Japan's top financial institutions are not just adapting to the digital asset era, they're designing it. Two additional updates in Japan's digital asset landscape. First, SBI Crypto, an overseas mining subsidiary of SBI Holdings, confirmed an unauthorized outflow of around $21 million in crypto assets. Investigations are ongoing, though SBI says its domestic exchanges remain unaffected, and all customer assets are fully protected through trust custody and cold wallet storage. Second, Singapore-based digital entertainment asset operator of the Play mining platform and issuer of DeepCoin raised $38 million in its Series A round. The company plans to relocate to Japan and pursue a Tokyo Stock Exchange listing by 2028, signaling stronger investor confidence in blockchain-driven entertainment and gaming models. Nomura's decade-long digital asset roadmap mirrors Japan's broader transformation, from pilot projects to regulated infrastructure. As major banks, technology firms, and startups alike embrace blockchain finance, Japan is quietly positioning itself as a global reference model for how traditional finance can evolve in digital asset age. That's all for episode 56 of Japan Digital Asset Weekly. If you found this episode helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. At Wakyodo, we support global blockchain and digital asset projects entering the Japanese market, from market research to business development. See you next Monday for more insights into Japan's evolving digital asset economy.